I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Food Daddy. Food Daddy is known for their authentic Kapampangan Sisig and their chicken wings with a dripping sauce. Who would have thought that sisig and buffalo wings can come together as a perfect combo? And proud sa Jukayos lahang dripping sauce. So anyway guys, their servings comes in solo, share it, and FamBam. Buffalo wings, the solo which is around 1/4 kilo is at 110 pesos. Ang share it which is around 1/2 kilo or 12 pieces of wings would be 190 pesos. And ang FamBam nga 1 kilo of chicken wings which is around 23 to 25 pieces will be at 400 pesos only. And for the solo sisig which is 1/4 kilo is at 105 pesos. Ang share it nga 1/2 kilo at 190 and ang FamBam at 1 kilo of sisig kay 370 pesos. For that, mga ona data guys, seryoso na kay ko nagkaon kay nga naman, yes, lami kaayo siya. And yes, ang sauce lami sa kay siya, I can't really define it kay medyo white sauce siya, creamy pero hangsad siya nga medyo na pagka cheesy sad. And now let me try the chicken without the sauce. Yes, it's a buffalo wings gid siya og lami. So, yeah, pwede ra sa jud walay sauce guys after all. Murag makadagham kog rice ani niya we. And for that now, let's try the sisig. Well, they say nga Kapampangan Sisig kuno kay no egg, no mayo, no extenders. So, I really like also kay dili kay siya oily, so murag dry type of sisig siya which I really like. This is really lami. I'm actually mas ganahan ko if ever ako ni siyang gi-fry more, mas toasted siya, it could have been perfect. And butangan akong sauce sa chicken. Why not? Mas lamig yun siya. Pwede na siya i-rice topping. So, mangita sa kong warm rice be. Wait lang sa Pero lami og sakto kayo yung pagkahanga ka nang ma-feel gid mo ang pagkalami sa sisig. Pero mabalik sa jud ko sa chicken be. Without guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts. And let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!